Dear students, we'll start a chapter integers exercise 1a. Before I start integers chapters, we'll just revise the chapter first. That integers means the numbers which have the positive sign and the negative sign. That is called the integers. Okay. Now, if you take it a number line and if you divide a number line into two sections, that is a minus sign this side and a plus sign is this side, and the middle section is a zero. Okay. Now in this minus sign, we just mark it all the points in a form, that is 1, minus 2, minus 3. Likewise, we'll go till minus 9. And from here 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 till plus 9. Okay. So here you can see there is a two sections. We have the minus sign and the plus sign. So number which have the minus and the plus sign, they are called the integers. Okay, only not the numbers. The numbers which doesn't have any kind of signs, that is called the numbers. But normally, if it is there is no any sign is there, that is called the numbers. If there is a sign, then that is called the integers. Okay. Now according to the exercise, we will just go with the questions. Now minus 9 and minus 3 is there, so we have to verify these answers by the number line. That is minus 1, minus is this side and plus is this side. So minus is in your right side and the plus is in your left side. Okay. Now that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus. Now just write all the numbers which is comes in the minus sign. So you have to check the quotient. If the quotient is here that minus 9 till the quotient number, we have to write it. Don't exceed that particular number. Okay. And here is minus 3 is there. So both the numbers are in the same side. So no need to write in a positive sign. Okay. Now we have minus 9 and minus 3 is here. So we just circulate the two numbers which is in the quotient, that is minus 9 and minus 3. So the question is asking between these integers what are the numbers are existed. So we have some numbers are there which you can see between the minus 9 and minus 3. So that is minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8. This is the first number answer. Now we will go with the second number question, that is minus 1 and 6 is there. So previous questions we have seen both the numbers which has a minus sign. But here we can see there is a plus signs as well. That is, if there is no sign in front of any numbers, then there is a plus sign. Okay. The minus 1 and plus 6 is there. So just we make one margin, divide that line or margin. Okay. And make it with the minus 1 and plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and plus 6. So between minus 1 and 6, how many numbers are there? We just get it that one. Okay. So just mark it what are the numbers is given in the question, that is minus 1 and 6. So what are the numbers we have? You just don't take it as 0 because the 0 is common for both the sides. So 0 doesn't exist in the integers. Okay. Whether it is in minus sign, the 0 comes. Whether it is in plus sign, the 0 comes. So don't take a 0 as a answer, but the 0 will be existed in both the side. Okay. So what are the numbers we are getting? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and plus 5 is your answer. Okay. Now we'll go with the next question from the integers, that is compare the integers. Compare means the two number is given in the question, so we have to check it whether it is a bigger or the smaller or the smaller or the bigger. So we can see here that in the first question we have two numbers which is altogether there is a minus sign and minus sign. So as we say that if you make a margin here and if you are doing the integers, there is in two sections we have the minus section and the plus section. So okay, now we have the minus 16 and minus 61. So which one will come first? Minus 16 will come first, then the minus 61 will come on the later one. Okay. So in this category of the questions, we will just check it which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Okay. So minus 16, the number which is coming first, that is goes the bigger one, and which is coming in the last, that is goes the smaller one. So minus 16 is smaller than the minus 61. minus 16 is smaller than the bigger than the minus 61. Similarly, you can see in the question number 2 that is minus 2 and 0 is given. As I said in the previous question that 0 doesn't goes with the minus sign and the plus sign, negative sign, not in the positive sign. So we'll just take it the 0 as a plus also and then the minus also. So minus 2 is here and 0 is here. So which one is bigger? So minus 2 is smaller than the 0. Okay, so this is the comparing one. We just have in this question we just have to use it smaller than, bigger than, or the equal to. So that particular signs will make you understand that whether the answer is smaller than or the bigger. Understood? Now the third questions of the integers is the sign you can see here. This is also one kind of a bar is called, and this bar is called the modulus. This bar is called the modulus. This bar, the number which is existed inside this bar, that is called the modulus. Okay, so this modulus has a capability to change the sign which has inside the modulus. Okay, so the first question you will do, then you come to know what is the work of the modulus. That the minus 11 is there, so that minus will convert into a plus 11. Okay, so we'll subtract it 20 minus 11. Minus sign is in the outside. This minus in outside of the modulus, so it won't be changed. The sign won't be changed, but the modulus inside that modulus, if the sign is there minus, that will change into a plus sign. Okay, 20 minus 11 will come as a 9 is your answer. Now remember that if the plus sign is there inside the modulus, that won't be changed, the sign won't be changed, but if the minus is there, that will convert into a plus sign. Okay, now similarly we will do the next question, that is minus 137 is there, so we will do it that minus into a plus sign, convert into 137 plus 13. So if you add it, 7 plus 3 10, 3 plus 4 1, 3 plus 1 4, and plus 1 5 and 1. This is your answer. You can see here minus 137 is there, so minus will convert it into a plus sign, that is plus 137. So if the number is in first and it has a plus sign, you don't need to write a plus sign, because the plus sign and if there is no sign, that is similar. Okay, if there is plus 137 or we can write it 137 only, that has the same meaning. Okay, so no need to write whether if the number is in front and it doesn't it has a plus sign. Okay, so no need to write the plus sign if the number is in first. Now the next questions we have, that is arrange the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order means the ascending order, the meaning of the ascending order is smaller to bigger number. Okay, so the sum of the numbers is given here. We have minus 9, 11, minus 23, 41, minus 37, 0 and minus 5. Okay, so set it this number into a number line. Okay, so we cannot go regularly like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We cannot go like that ways, but we can go the numbers which is given in the question. Okay, so we know this side is a plus and this side is a minus sign. So the first number which will go with the minus sign is, which one is small? The minus 5. So we can see the minus 5 is there, first number. Then we can see here minus 9, and then we can see here minus 23, then we can see here minus 37. In the plus side we have 0. Okay, and after that we have 11 and we have 41. Okay, so altogether 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you can see here it will goes like this way, the smaller to bigger. The smaller is minus 37, then it goes to the bigger side, so that means it's a plus sign. So altogether if you do with the number line, you should not have to do again the same question, only then one line only the answer will come yours. Okay, now similarly we will do now the descending order. The descending order will give us the meaning of bigger to smaller number. Okay, bigger to smaller number. Now similarly we will do that minus and plus. So minus, what are the numbers is here? Minus, first we have the minus 1, then we have minus 5, then we have minus 13, then we have minus 24. But in the plus signs we have first number is 6, then we have 16, Okay, now count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. So just once more, just check it. Minus 1 is here, minus 5 is here, minus 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So bigger to smaller. So you can start from here, bigger to smaller. So when you write the answers, you can start from 16, 6, minus 1, minus 5, minus 13, minus 24 and minus 40 is your answer. So this is the way we do the ascending order and the descending. This is the last questions of this chapter. So go through with the questions. If you have any confusions on any number of a question, you just message me down. Okay, putting the particular question number and the exercise. So that will be help you to understand the question and the exercise as well. So I'll help you out in that question number. Thank you.